Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading. Actually, it's a love reading today. Alright, so we'll see what are the messages and we'll see in what connection you are in regarding your love life. Okay, so we'll be looking at your blockages and we'll be seeing the next step from you and as well as from them. Alright, and we'll be seeing the final outcome of the situation as well. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Let's see now. So I'm done with the shuffling. One last shuffle, please. One last shuffle. Let's see, what does my Aquarian have. Let's see. Okay, so at the back of the deck, the overall energy between the both of you is Two of Wands with the Knight of Wands. So I'm seeing that you both are not looking together towards each other, but both have that Rods energy. That means a passionate energy, or you both, you might be dealing with a fire sign as well. And I am seeing that there is something, there's something in regards with some kind of decision. Someone is not ready to take a decision because someone is actually feeling that energy where one has not grown up, and I really want to enjoy my youth life. So that is why this person is in a decision making, or you might be the one as well. So how you see them as the Emperor, so you might be dealing with an Aries over here, but I'm seeing that it is more of that energy where they are really dominating, and they see you as the Queen of Cups over here. So they know that you are very emotional, you are very you are very emotional, you are very submissive. They are dominant and you are submissive. So it's more like they always tell you how to do this, how to do that, and you always say yes, okay, no problem, whatever. You always just submit to them. That is what is actually in this relationship. So they know you are the one they can rely on. They know that you are the one who can give the love of their lives, but because of their dominancy, so it is like a problem, an issue for you, I think. Let's see, why is this Emperor over here in your side? What is this Emperor about? Why is this Emperor here? Emperor, clarified by Emperor, so a lot of dominance is here with the Sun. But still you find happiness somehow. Their dominance as well. They might also be very possessive for you, so there might be a problem as well. So that because you are not able to move here, move there, it's more like an energy where you are just in a relationship, but you cannot do what you want to do. What else do we have over here? Page of Wands. You want to free yourself, I guess. You have very ambitions. You have a lot of ambitions in your life. You have a lot of things. You have many dreams to fulfill, and because of this dominant nature, you are not able to do. Because Page of Wands is, you're just a kid, basically. Not exactly a kid, but kid from heart, who is there to explore new stuff in life. No matter, you are very emotional for this person, but you actually have a lot of dreams of your own as well. So let's see, why is this Queen of Cups in their side? Why is the Queen of Cups? What is this telling us? Why is the Queen of Cups here? Why is the Queen of Cups here? Let's see. Five of Cups and Ace of Swords. Okay, so I think that you are sad in some situation, you know. You want some things to, you just want that. Basically you are tired as well, and I see that you are tired, you are sad, um, you are feeling very, you are in grief, and they also know that. Actually it's a both side thing. They are also sad because there was some kind of communication which actually happened between both of you, and there was a solution, there was an outcome which came, and it was more about that it's better to live apart from each other rather than being in this relationship of dominance and submission, that energy. Let's see, why is the blockage 10 of swords here. The blockage is 10 of swords. Why is this 10 of swords here? Page of swords and the chariot. I don't know why I just got a message that there was a problem, because of them being so dominant with you. So there was something, they might even have stalked you, they might have even, just take a note wherever you are going, just keeping a spy on you. So that might be a big issue with your life, and you might have ended this thing suddenly because you really want to move on. You want to be free. This chariot is a very free card. It doesn't listen about anyone, for anyone. So it's like you are a very free loving energy, because Aquarians, they have this tendency that they love to travel. They are like, they are more happy when they are single. I'm sorry, but yes, you are in that energy where you are giving your love the best you can, but when it comes to caging someone, then it's like, I want to be free. Nothing is more important than your freedom. So let's see, what is this? Four of coins. So four of coins in your action. This is your action which you are going to take. Four of coins with the uh, seven of swords with this six of wands. I'll do it like this. See, so your action is more of betterment for yourself. I'm not seeing that you are taking action for this relationship over here. You are holding on to this thing, whatever is happening. You are just keeping a pause. Okay, so let's just don't let it go anywhere. You are just not letting go of these things, but you are actually, you are showing that I'm not doing anything, but you are sneaking from this person towards your success. I'm seeing over here. See how this person is watching, looking at the back. That person might not see you, and this person is moving towards the success card. See, this is the six of wands, the success. So this is more of that, I really want to become someone whom actually I dreamt of, and that is why you are just, I cannot be even in this relationship. I should sneak, I should run away. It's rather good in this case, which you are thinking. Let's see the moon over here. In their side, they have a lot of things hidden, I see, because with the page of swords as well, they are spying on you. They are just continuously stalking you, spying you. There are many ways to stalk a person, not just social media. They might have people around you, working for them. So it's really hidden. Let's see this moon in their side. Six of cups, four of swords, and seven of wands. Okay, so they are showing that they are not taking any step over here. They are just healing. They are not doing anything. They are actually showing, but this is more of a hidden energy. Something else is behind all these things. So they are showing that they are not talking to you. They are taking their own stand. Like when you talk to them, they are like, no, it's not me. Why would I? Taking their own stand. That is what they are actually showing you. They are showing that they are not doing anything. They are just at home. They are doing nothing. They are off to their work and they don't do anything. But there's more of a hidden energy in this. and that might be a reason, big reason for this thing. Let's see what is this Knight of Pentacles. So this is the final outcome. I really feel that with this Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, they don't leave you very easily. They come back to the person because you are the Queen of Cups. So why would this Knight of Pentacles, they would leave you? This is something, you are the one who is very emotional, who loves from all your heart. You have given your 100% to this person. So this person will not leave you so easily. This is an outcome which is, this might be slow process, but they just have a tendency to come back, like saying sorry, then coming back towards this thing only. That is what this Knight of Pentacles is about. Let's see what else do this Knight of Pentacles have. Eight of Wands. See, that communication will never stop. I don't see that, whether you want to go away, but so I think this is a divine union for both of you. If you are sneaking as well, but it's more of a union where you want success plus you want this person as well. That is something which is coming up. You might be feeling somewhere that this person dominates you. This person is really possessive for you, for some of you. That is why they are not letting you go. They really love you from all their heart because of this Two of Cups. Let's see one more card for this. What else do we have? No, so many cards. Let's see. The Lovers. Oh my God. See? So this is something. This is a divine union. I see that. This is something which is not meant to be separated. Whatever things are here. For some of you, this might be an ending because of someone else in your life or their life. So they might have ended this thing because you are meant to be together, but the other people, they cannot see the happiness. That is why they might have ended this thing with you and them. But I'm seeing that there is a divine connection over here. Alright, so that's all, Aquarius, from my side. I hope it helps, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.